Welcome back. Now, another element that you're going to see on the left side menu is going to be a pop-up functionality. And basically, you're going to be able to create a pop-up for any page that you are working with inside of Clickfunnels. To see the default pop-up for this particular page, you can click Show Pop-up. And you're going to see the pop-up that will happen over this page if you choose to have it. Now, you're going to see an additional submenu that says Edit Pop-up Settings. It's going to be the same submenu that you see here. We're then going to click Edit Pop-up Settings. You are then going to be able to control how the pop-up happens over this particular page. And basically, what you're going to see is that the default setting is don't show when the user attempts to exit the page. However, you can turn this functionality on. And you can do it by clicking Show when user tries to exit. This means then that when the user attempts to leave your page, they will then be shown this pop-up in the manner in which you have it set. Now, there are advanced settings to this pop-up, and we can click on this tab. And we can make some changes to the pop-up in order to change the messaging as well as the functionality of the pop-up. For example, if we want to make an animated pop-up, we can do that. And we can do that so that the delay will be timed. Now, by default, the animation is turned off. However, we can make it so that the animation is going to be fading in or fading in with scale after a particular period of time when your user is going to be on your page. This means then that the user will be shown this pop-up apart from the exit pop functionality. So by default, the pop-up will not be shown unless you choose to make it shown either by an exit pop-up or by a timed delay. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.